Next question to demo to you. Okay, so I'm going to do E. Okay, so for this question, the first step is you look at this and you look at this. So the power, or rather the highest power of this equation is r to the power of 2, which is 2, right? Right? So therefore, that's why I say this is a quadratic equation. Okay? So to solve quadratic equation, what is the format of a quadratic equation? Ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So that's how your thinking should flow. So once you identify this is a quadratic equation, you need to get this into a quadratic equation format. And the format is, it should look like ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Do you know why you need to get into this format? Because then you can get a equals to something, b equals to something, c equals to something. Then you can actually use the formula. Can you still remember the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus square root. You cannot. B squared minus 4ac over 2a. You have to memorize it. Okay? So now let's get this into this format. So what you see here is you have the left hand side, you have the right hand side. So the left hand side is 3r squared minus the 5r plus 1. Then you have the 7r plus 58. So can you see that you compare to the format, which is this one. You compare to this format. Okay? So the format is your right hand side must be equal to 0. Can you see that? Over here? The right hand side must be equal to 0, right? Right?
Yeah.
So therefore, how do you get this into 0? Put everything over lah. Right? Right? So copy the left hand side. 7r move over becomes minus 7r. Plus 58 move over becomes minus 58. Am I right? Then for this one, you open the bracket. First arrow minus 5r, second arrow minus 5. Underline similar term. Okay?
Yeah.
Can you help me out with the calculator? See if you can factorize this.
Yes.
Okay, so you can. So, of course, you can factorize doesn't mean you must factorize. Do you know why? I can use the formula as well. Right?
Yeah.
So now, by comparison, so you compare this whole thing to this format. What's your A? What's your A? Can tell no? Never mind. If you can, yep. So if you cannot tell, never mind. Just write it on top, so that you can put them side by side. So what's your A?
3.
What's your B?
It's 3:30.
Negative 12.
What's your C?
Negative 63.
Good. So your job is to put it in to the calculator. I mean, put it into the formula, right? So when I say you can factorize, doesn't mean you need to factorize, because there are so many methods. Unless they force you, you know. So if they don't force you, you just do it the way you are more comfortable with. So put it in. So in this case is they want to find R actually. They want to find R, right? R, right? So instead of X, you should put R here. R equal, can you see minus B? Minus B is minus 12. So I need to put a bracket because it's a negative number, right? Plus minus B square. So it's a negative number, so I bracket it. Minus 4. A is 3. C is, I need to put a bracket because it's negative number. Are you clear? Okay, I run out of space, so let me just redo it. So negative 12 plus minus negative 12 square minus 4. A is 3. C is negative 63. Negative number, that's why I need to get a bracket. Can you see?
Yeah.
Over 2A. A is 3. Okay, so I just do it. You can use your calculator. What is inside? Inside only. The square root. Insert the bracket accordingly, okay? Below is 6.
Four one 4.9.
How can it be? This is 4 times 3, not 4.3. My dot is in the middle, not below.
900.
Huh? 900.
Yeah.
So if you continue, square root 900 I think is 30. Help me out.
Yeah.
So you continue. So this one will give you what? Use your calculator.
3.
Okay, then what about the next one?
Minus 7.
Very good, so that's the answer. If you don't want to use the factorization. Okay? So this is by formula. Right? Right?